Both systems are installed, and now it's time to tighten down the Cascadian filter housings. It's best to thread the housings into the unit by hand so you do not cross-thread them. If you mess up the threads in any way, you can cause the housing to leak. Also, we need to make sure that the O-ring is lubricated and seated in the correct location. Once you have it hand tightened, let's use the wrench provided to finish tightening it down. Then we can turn water back on, check for leaks. Also, you can check out our video on replacing the cartridge so you can get a step-by-step instructions from start to finish. This house was plumbed with a softener loop, so we tie into the loop and run our lines to the inlet of the first stage of the Green NAC. It leaves the first stage and goes to the second stage of the Green NAC. Once the water has been through the pre-filtration system, it makes our way over to the Cascadian salt-free water softener. It enters into the pre-filter and then goes directly into the specialty Cascadian cartridge. Now our customer is enjoying amazing water quality. Now, all that's left to do is to put today's date on our company sticker so our customer knows when to do the filter changes or how to reach us for yearly maintenance.